Imagine you're in a submarine and the fuel's getting low. Scary, but thankfully you have some aluminum on board. And there's seawater all around you. Huh? The best thing I can relate this to is the dark matter from Futurama that's used for fuel. What am I talking about? Researchers at MIT have been able to create hydrogen fuel from seawater and aluminum. This reaction actually happens naturally, but the ability to harvest this hydrogen is becoming commercially viable thanks to the research. Let me explain. When you mix aluminum and salt water, a reaction occurs and it produces hydrogen gas. And when you add caffeine, or more specifically imidazole, interesting compound by the way, it speeds the reaction up. Once the hydrogen is produced, you can then put it in your specialty hydrogen reactor and create sustainable energy. But there's still a problem. As soon as the aluminum touches oxygen, even from the air, it forms a surface layer of oxide that prohibits the reaction to occur. And to prevent this from happening, the researchers treated the aluminum with gallium and indium. And that's really the limiting factor in this. They were able to find a concentration that recovers it pretty efficiently, but gallium and indium, as you might guess, are less plentiful than aluminum. This process, though, boasts an energy density that is 40 times larger than lithium-ion batteries and twice as much per unit volume of diesel. And the idea is that we may be able to use these aluminum pellets as a fuel source on vehicles instead of transporting the actual hydrogen gas. You'll just have to take in some water. Thanks for watching all the way till the end. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to watch more, click the video on the screen. It's the one that YouTube suggests you'll like the most. Bye.